Kia ora, Nathan Mooney here, Property Brokers, Palmerston North. Welcome to 192 Ferguson Street. This beautiful 1920s character home has all been renovated. It's ready for you to move in, relax and enjoy. We've got an upgraded kitchen with a scullery, separate laundry. We've got a beautiful new bathroom, large outdoor deck, and it's fully fenced. And it's nice and close to town. But that's enough from me. Let's go through and have a look. Make your next move the right one. Give me a call or come to my next open home. Nathan Mooney, Property Brokers, Palmerston North.